Also Qora Digital Cash. In today's video we'll be looking at how to identify the entry and exit points for spikes trading in boom and crash. For the past few days now we've been looking at spikes trading, and we'll be looking at the entry and the exit point for spikes trading. Okay, after the last two videos I posted on my channel, I got a lot of messages asking me to show them the exact place they can enter for spike. Okay, and I have decided to do a video on that today. Okay, if you want to know the exact place where you should go into a trade for a spike using this strategy, then you should be able to do that easily. So you just need to sit down and watch, be patient enough to watch this video to the very end so that you will understand how to go about it. Okay, quickly we'll be looking at so many things in today's video, but before we go fully into it, okay, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. If you are new on this platform, feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips. They are all training videos that can get you started immediately. Okay, watch them, make sure you practice very well on your demo account, practice and perfect your skill first before you go live in your real account. Okay, before you go live with your real account. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, quickly, if you have any question about any of my videos, or probably you want to know more about my trading strategy, or probably you would like to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are on the screen right now, and you can also join my Telegram channel so that you can learn directly from me. But remember, I will be dropping all this in the description box so that you can have access to them easily. And if you love any of my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And also if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, that is very important, because that is the only way you can be notified each time I upload a new video. So just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on the notification bell beside it so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, quickly let's check out what is happening in the market before going into today's video fully. Okay, as it is now, we are starting with boom 1000. For boom 1000, let's see what is happening there. At the moment, boom 1000 is on downtrend. You can see after this series of spikes occurring, it started the downtrend here, and we got a sell signal just below the line. Like I always tell you, each time you get a sell signal below the line, then it shows that it is going to go for a very long time. And once the blue line changes from blue to yellow, then it shows that it is on downtrend, and that will go for a very long time. As it is, this has actually given us 30 minutes candles. Okay, so at the moment it is on downtrend. Even if it's going to spike, then it should get to this support level. It should be around this support level. Okay, that is when it will spike. So it is approaching there at the moment. So you should, if you are in the market, you should be getting ready to leave the market right now. So let's check out crash 500. Okay, for crash 500, it's been on uptrend for a while. You can see here we got our buy signal here, got confirmed almost immediately, and gave us these candles, 52-minute candles. And when it got to this resistance resistance level, you can see the resistance level here also. When it got there this time around, it started crashing down, and it has gotten to this level, and you can see the confirmation candle, the confirmation in the histogram is still telling us that it is still on downtrend, even though we had a a buy signal here. So wait for it to change from downtrend into uptrend before you go into the trade again. Let's check out what is happening with boom 500. For boom 500, Okay, boom 500 is also on downtrend at the moment. You can see we got the signal just below the line, just the way it happened with boom 1000, and it changed from blue to yellow, and it has been going down ever since. So it is presently on downtrend. Okay, for crash 1000, let's see what is happening there. Okay, crash 1000 actually came down from here to this level, and after getting to this support level, let's check the history. You can see it also obeyed the support level here, and it obeyed it this time around. It is obeying the same support level. It obeyed the same support level, and it went back up. Okay, after getting to this resistance level, it gave us this drop down candle. So let's see how far it will go. But this time around, you can see that the red has come out, so which means it is on downtrend at the moment. Wait for it to change to green before you go into the trade. But check out this. When we got our buy signal here, it is around the red region, so it was not confirmed because it is just coming from a very long downtrend. Okay, so it got confirmed here. Like I said, you exit once you see the exit arrow, and if you are not seeing the exit arrow on time, once you are approaching the next resistance level or support level, depending on the assets you are trading, then you should exit the market. Okay, for crash, it should be the next resistance level. This is the next resistance level, so I expect you to get out of the market somewhere here, which is giving you 15 minutes candles. I believe that is good enough for you to pick. Okay, that is how to use the crusher indicator. Okay, I've showed you how to analyze the market using the crusher indicator and using the signal indicator. These are the two amazing indicators that you can also use to trade. Okay, let's go into today's training properly. And remember, the topic is how to identify the entry and exit point for spikes trading in boom and crash. And also remember, if you have any question, feel free to contact me. I'll be dropping this in the description box below this video. And also, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. So let's go into the trading platform to see what we have for today. Okay, let's see what we have for today. Okay, we want to see how to know when to go into the trade for spikes and when to exit the trade. Okay, these are some of the issues we usually have. We don't know when to the right time to go into the trade and the right time to get out of the trade when we are trading the spikes. Let me tell you the truth, spikes trading is the easiest way to trade boom and crash. Okay, spikes trading in boom and the drop down candles in crash are the easiest way to trade boom and crash, because it helps you to reduce the risk of the sudden spike, and it helps you to make more money within seconds. But it is the hardest part. I mean, it is the best way to trade boom and crash, but the hardest part of it is you don't know when to go into the trade, because you can be caught up in the market for a very long time. So it is the best way to trade it if you actually know your onions. But if you don't, the easiest way, or the easiest way for most novice, is to trade the trend normally. That is to sell crash and to sell boom and to buy crash. Okay, to sell boom and to buy crash. But once you are caught up in a spike once, then you'll be scared of going into the market. So trading the spikes makes it easy for you to pick up so many candles within seconds. But that is if you know your onion. So if you feel that you have gotten it, that is when you know that once you are caught up in a long trend, that is when you know that you are yet to get the best way to place your pending order for spikes trading. Okay, so these are some of the issues most of us usually have. Okay, we don't know when to go into the market or when to trade the spikes. Okay, for boom, spikes trading is best traded when the market is on uptrend. For crash, it is best traded, the drop down candles are best traded when the market is on downtrend. Okay, but how do you identify this? If you can't identify this, or if you don't know when the trend is changing direction, then you can be trapped in the market for a very long time. So this can get you trapped in the market. Then another thing you need to know is, if you are not used to seeing red, then this is not the best way for you to trade. It's better for you to trade the normal trend. Okay, so this is very important. This is very important. So um how do you identify your entry point? Okay, before you can identify your entry point, you need to identify your trend. You need to identify your trend. How do you know that boom is on uptrend and crash is on downtrend? For you to be able to place your pending order, you might not really be able to identify this if you are not good with your technical analysis. Okay, but there are some indicators that can help you to achieve this easily. And one of the indicators are what I have shown you earlier on, the boom and crash and the likes. The boom and crash crusher indicator, then the signal indicator. But another indicator is the NT indicator. The NT indicator helps you to know the trend, or when a trend is starting, by showing you this golden ball and this white ball or dark blue ball, as the case may be. Okay, in my own case it is golden ball and white ball. Okay, so once it is white, I know it is the beginning. It is telling me that an uptrend is about to start. When it is golden like this, I already know that a downtrend is about to start, so I should be getting ready for it. Then another thing that helps us to identify trend here is the color of the candles. The color of the candles will change from dark blue. Once it is dark blue, then it is in uptrend. You can see each time it is in dark blue, you see it going up. Not that it is not coming down at all, but it is still telling you that the market is still more of uptrend than downtrend. Once it is in yellow color, then the market is always coming down. You can see it coming down. Not that there are no spikes at all. For instance, on this candle there is a spike, on this candle there is, on this candle also there are some spikes on these candles, on this candle. Then even this, there are some spike on it, and even this, there are some spike on it, and this also. So these are some of the things you need to know about this indicator, okay, in order for you to trade it successfully. Then even with the trend known to us right now, how do we now know when to go into the market and when to exit the market? Okay, for instance, if you are trading spikes in boom, okay, in boom 1000, and you want to know when to place your order, okay, you can see here, you can see the gray bar here on these blue candles. You can see the gray bar here, you can see this lime green here. Okay, but this, I want to focus more on this gray bar. If you put your cursor on it, it shows you your entry point. Once you see the blue candles and you see the gray bar on it, it shows that you can enter, you can place your pending order for a spike. You can place your order for spike. So at this stage, if I'm to place my order, I will place my order here at this stage on the gray bar. I'm going to place my order here and wait for it to spike, to give me the first spike. Since the candles are still blue, it might go down for a while, it might be red for a while. So if you must trade spikes, you must have enough trading capital. Okay, it might go down for a while, it depends, but once it spikes, it will put me in profit. Okay, I'm going to introduce another horizontal line. Okay, after this initial spike, it got to this level. You can see it got to this level. Okay, it got to this level. I can now introduce another horizontal line and put it in the middle, because I don't want to lose all my profits. Okay, I can keep the profit between here and here. This is 15-minute time frame. I'm using 15-minute time frame. It is easier when you use 15-minute time frame. Okay, I want to keep the profit between here and here, and this is where the current action price is. Okay, this is where my entry point is. Okay, of course it came down a bit but didn't get to my stop loss. Didn't get to my stop loss. Yes, if you're asking why am I using stop loss for boom 1000, since boom, spikes does not respect stop loss, or stop loss does is not work. Probably you feel stop loss can't work on boom and crash. Okay, yeah, they don't. Stop loss can't work for boom and crash. They cannot hold the spikes, the forces of the spikes, but you can use it to hold, to save, to lock up your profit if you are trading spikes. If you are trading normally, don't use stop loss. That is, if you are selling boom, don't use stop loss. But if you are buying the spikes, then you can use stop loss. That is what I'm trying to say. So you can see that it didn't get to the stop loss, and there came another spikes, got it to this level, came down a bit, didn't get to the stop loss, then it came with another spike, then another spike to this level. So you can always adjust your stop loss to this level and keep the profit between here and here. Then came down a bit and got to this level with a bigger spike, and you can always adjust your stop loss to this level. Of course, this lime green bar is telling us our take profit, and of course you can see it got to the take profit, but you can still earn more since the candles are yet to change from blue to yellow or to a neutral color like this. So you can always adjust your your stop loss to the take profits to reduce the risk of losing what you have earned before. Okay, after this spike, then you can come in again with your stop loss. You can come in again with your stop loss, and of course here it's changed, the candle changed to a neutral color here, so you can quit the market here and exit around there, so that you can have some profits for yourself, so that you can keep all your profits and start earning with, you can keep all your profit and prepare for the downtrend. And of course you can see that the downtrend started from here, and you can come in and trade alongside with it. Okay, that is how you can use it to trade spikes successfully. You already know your entry point. Before you can identify your entry point, you must know the trend of the market. If you are trading boom, if you are trading the spikes in boom, then it must be in uptrend. If you are trading the spikes in crash, as some people will call it, it must be in downtrend. Okay, and after identifying your trend, then how do you know when to enter? You come in once this gray line, the entry point, shows on your dark blue candle for boom, but if it's crash, it must be on your yellow candle. So this is very, very important and vital. I want you to, if you're having this indicator, I want you to go back to your demo account, set it up, put it on 15-minute time frame, try to identify what I have highlighted on this in this video. Try to practice them, practice the strategies I shared in this video and perfect it very well. See if it will work for you. Try it with for a day or two before going on your real account. This is very, very important. Okay, once it works for you, then you can try it out on your real account. Gradually you get used to it, and you will even get better with it and even make more profits with it. So I'll be stopping here for now. Remember, if you have any question, feel free to contact me. My contact details are on the screen right now, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. So I'll be stopping here for now. Watch out for my next video. Until then, I remain Samuel Opeola.